10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of rain 60%. On Sunday, variable clouds with showers and scattered thunderstorms. High 80. Chance of rain 60%. Our 7-day outlook.
And we are minutes away from the latest update on Isaac from the Hurricane Center. Expecting that and a full update coming at 50 past the hour here at the Weather Channel with extended coverage now of Tropical Storm Isaac, forecast to become a hurricane and threaten South Florida first and then maybe the Gulf Coast. But right now, we do have other weather on the map and across the U.S. If you are traveling today, trying to get that last weekend in before Labor Day, we do have some areas that could be impacted by the weather. And you can see here our air travel impacts across the Carolinas and the mid-Atlantic states and also across the central part of the U.S. We do have some much needed rainfall coming in here now across parts of Nebraska down through Oklahoma and Missouri and around Thayer, Missouri, and even as you get into Louisiana and then also out on the East Coast. A cold pocket of air aloft has been producing some hefty showers, thunder showers through the Outer Banks and heading up toward Chesapeake Bay. Some leftover monsoonal moisture here out in the west. Other than that, no big problems expected. Now, big problems here at Miami. There's a batch of rain that's coming in. We're going to show you on radar in just a second. That's kind of out ahead of Isaac, and it's heavy rain, and that's going to cause delays at the airports. Washington, D.C., moderate delays. At Houston, getting some onshore flow off the Gulf, some delays. Minneapolis, L.A., those are the places to be flying in or out of today. That's where we are going to see least impact, at least if you're traveling in the air. All right, a couple of radars. So this is what I was just talking about. This moisture is kind of indirectly associated with a circulation from Isaac. I mean, it's not part of the core system, but we've seen this develop overnight, this heavy push of rain and thunderstorms as we headed through the early morning hours and getting ready to come in here now on the East Coast and southeast parts of Florida and around Miami and up toward Palm Beach. So on 95, wet travel, heavy rainfall coming in, and it does look like now it's probably going to be on and off rain for the next couple of days because eventually you'll get rain from the actual low pressure center or from Isaac as it moves on up toward the northwest. And as you can see, out over the open water, some very heavy rainfall. This is the island of Cuba down here, and then these are the Keys, and you can see this heavy rain is heading on off toward the east. So if that does hold together, it is going to be slow travel if you are deciding to leave the Keys. We're going to be reporting live, so early this morning with Stephanie Abrams, and I think Maria LaRosa is going to be down there also. We are going to see if this rain holds together, what the impacts is going to be. But I've got to think heavy rain and flooding in the low-lying areas, and also some gusty winds out there with this area of rain coming in. That second area of rain coming through once again, eastern North Carolina, Outer Banks. Not a good morning for the jog or the beach. Starting to get into southern parts of Delaware, down around Ocean City too, and into Chesapeake Bay. 95, some delays here, even around the Beltway with some of that heavy rain coming in this morning. Showers, thunderstorms with that low, and then a front starting to come into the west and through western parts of Iowa. Showers, thunderstorms east now of Omaha, down toward the south into Kansas City and off to the west. So Interstate 80 at times this morning, wet and could get a little bit slick, and then eventually 35 as you go through the daytime hours, and those storms roll on off toward the east. Further down toward the southwest into Kansas, down toward Oklahoma, Wichita, showers, thunderstorms, none severe, but looks like some generally hefty rainfall and a lot of lightning out there. Good news, as these areas are in drought, as that story continues, eastern parts of Oklahoma, western Oklahoma, showers, thunderstorms coming on off toward the east. And this is where our severe weather threat will be today, although it will be isolated. West of Dallas and even southwest of San Angelo, we've got two pockets of rain, one to the north, one down to the southwest, and probably picking up a quick quarter to maybe half an inch in some spots. Interstate travel on 75, smooth sailing from Detroit southbound. And as you head down towards Cincinnati and Knoxville, plenty of sunshine, warm temperatures today, though, up to 88 degrees in Detroit, 90 plus in places like Cincinnati. Quiet here from Chicago. As you go east but westbound, you can see the rain starting to come into Des Moines. 80 degrees as we get through 3 o'clock this afternoon. 91 Chicago. Records 95 for the date. You may get there. And then your interstate travel through Pennsylvania is high and dry as you head further toward the east. The rain's going to get close later this afternoon, but I think we're going to be good with just increasing cloud cover through the day. Out in the west, 84, smooth sailing out of Salt Lake through Boise and Portland, right through the Willamette Valley. Looks like some pretty quiet weather coming in. All right, coming up in a couple of minutes, we may have the 5 o'clock update from the Hurricane Center. Stay right there. We'll have it coming.